Hello everyone, long time no see. Long time no see in a way, right? We're back to streaming, we're back to being live. Had some needed rest, but I don't feel like I missed anything in terms of prize delivery, so hope you guys are staying safe. Hope you guys are doing good. Let me know if you can hear me well. That would be very good to know. Let me know how it is. Okay. Good. So, looking at the charts, very honestly, I was waiting for this drawn liquidity in terms of a weekly right here. Why? Because we kind of filled that monthly value gap, not to the fullest, but we kind of did, right? We pushed higher into it, which is great. And now this retracement to the downside is totally valuable, totally reasonable, totally understandable, right? So we're dealing with that. Unfortunately, the markets are not moving in tandem. I would like them to move, right? Doesn't mean that they're supposed to, but uh, this is a better week that we're playing with because of NFP, because of Easter that just passed through, right? So it's the start of a new quarter, start of new month, a lot of stuff punched into one place in a way, right? Thus, quite awful price action, right? But what I'm expecting today, tomorrow is actually the market to find this low. We have a breaker block all over here from 4-hour chart as well. Hope holding in the price. Something's wrong with the mics. Volume up. Mic volume is full on, guys. So I'm not sure. Let me check if I can get it any louder. Just 1 second then. One two one two. Is it any better now? Should be better, to be fair. Looks from the Streamlab itself that it should be a little bit better. So let me know. Good. Okay, awesome. So back to charts. Thanks for noting them. So I'm literally expecting the market to find a bottom here because of a breaker block right here, because of weekly fair value gap, right? What I would suggest is putting quadrants on this weekly fair value gap just to see the reactions there, something to play around. And right away what I showed you, right? One of the so middle of the range is somewhere around here, a quadrant right there as well. Tiger, hi. Long time no hear, man. Long time no see. How you been? Yeah, I'm expecting a bottom to form. Thursday low of the week is awesome. NFP tomorrow push the market to the upside. Why not, right? That would be lovely. But so far, every bearish PD array is holding the price and allowing it to push lower, right? And very simply, if you're looking at dollar, swing high, sell side taken, right? We have sell side right here. And if that swing high gets taken, we're becoming bullish on US dollar, meaning that with buy stops taken away on Euro USD, swing low is residing right here. We're gonna see how we treat that. And GU doesn't look that nice, but GU literally went into that daily fair value gap that I was mentioning for quite a few times in Discord. Been good. Some exams and some weather, wasn't much on. How's Indonesia? Indonesia is good. I had some trouble. Oh yeah, so let me explain myself a little bit, right? I was off, so I had some trouble with my tummy. I had some trouble with my throat. Maybe just overall a little bit of tiredness. So I took a few days off this week, which was very needed to refresh, right? But overall, it's good. Been going to the office, been working a lot. Going to jiu-jitsu classes is a new thing for me in a way. So jiu-jitsu was great so far. So very happy with that. Otherwise, good to hear from you, man. Always happy to have you. And indices. Now, in a way, a story that I'm getting on US dollar is yeah, I would love it to find a bottom, meaning that indices might turn, right? Because we're in a premium, we're trading at a optimal trade entry levels right now as well, right? Do we look for a short because of that? Tough to say. Tough to say, to be fair with you. I'd love that. Why not, right? But it's gonna be a tough call in terms of what we get delivered today, because I said it, Tuesday, I think, right? What happens when we get the PD arrays we're looking at and drawn liquidity delivered before the market opens? Nothing good happens, right? But we're gonna see. We're gonna see if we get something offered that we can deal with or we can participate in, right? But this is so much of a premium, but we just have to take a look. So we have a daily fair value gap here, 1 hour fair value gap. So nothing above this is my interest. Not at all. We'll see how much it pushes up. But something I wanted to show on NQ actually, yep. Market maker buy model is being delivered for us. So we have a lot of buy stops resting above here, here, and here, right? So buy side liquidity pool noted, right? You should have it in your notes. 1 hour fair value gap up there as well. And what do we have? We have initial consolidation, right? We have push to the downside. We have consolidation, push to the downside, right? Smart money reversal here with a consolidation profile right afterwards. Low risk buy right here. Not saying this is something that you can participate in, but this is something that you can draw your whole weekly bias in terms of executions through, because the week, as I always explain, with power 3 opened up, pushed to the downside, right? Is delivering the upside and probably will close tomorrow somewhere in the range, right? So we're gonna see if this gets full on delivered. But this is what I'm looking at on NQ, market maker buy model. If you want to know more about market maker models, we trade them all the time. So let me know in Discord. We'll be happy to talk more about it. Okay. But something for your notes maybe. Remember before I left for Thailand and Bali, where I am right now, I made a short video in terms of how I see the market deliver every single week with power of 3 concepts. Power of 3 meaning opening, accumulation, manipulation, and distribution. We want to participate in the distribution stage. So distribution stage is right here that we're getting delivered right now on NQ at least, right? So I think we're just gonna continue pushing to the upside. There's no need for the market to turn around here. So just keep that in mind, okay? And the markets are open. So what we're gonna do, like we do it every single day, we're gonna divide my screen into two very small pieces. And we're gonna try to talk about what I see, what I want the markets to do, where I want them delivering, and we're gonna evaluate together with you. I'm not here to trade though, and there's nothing that interests this week. There's nothing that interests me this week in a way, right? So I'm not here to trade. I'm here to spend some time with you, read the price, maybe learn something, maybe not, you know, but this is so much of a premium. I can't believe that in a way. But on Nasdaq, if the market maker buy model gets completed, we're looking for the continuation to the upside still, right? And so let's get rid of what we're getting offered right now, right? We're getting buy stops right here. And at the same time, we're getting SMTs with ES. So something for your notes. When you see an SMT, what do we do always? We kind of look for a possible one, huh? Possible inversion setups for other side of the market to deliver. But other side of the market, looking at it, is like way down here. Am I considering this as a draw on liquidity? Not really, because that kind of trust the market maker buy model to get delivered. Yeah. This is a new day opening gap that I have at 18,533.5. So something to keep in your notes. We have a new week opening gap here, and we have buy side. Yeah, we remember that buy side liquidity pool, but I'm not expecting anything good to happen today. So I'm just here to enjoy the time with you guys. Hope you can appreciate that. If you have anything you want me to walk through, please do let me know. But that market maker buy model is something that interests me. And yeah, the market maker buy model and overall is just a delivery of price. Just like we use order blocks, breaker blocks, fair value gaps, and yada yada to look for patterns in price that repeat on certain times of day and so on and so forth, right? We're expecting markets to deliver in certain patterns. I hate this word. I hate that. I saw a meme yesterday that there was an elephant pattern forming yesterday. I think on NQ. Let me show you the elephant pattern. Here we go. Okay, let me find it. Let me do something. I'll be silly, okay? Oh, yeah. This is what I saw in the internet yesterday. So take a look at this, right? Take a look at this and take a look at that. Woo, right? In a way. I'm kidding, but this is, yeah. This is why I hate the word pattern, because we had an elephant pattern yesterday. Hope you can appreciate this joke in a way, right? But there's no patterns in price. Price doesn't move because of patterns. Price moves because it has to deliver certain things, right? It delivers liquidity, it delivers fair value, it delivers equilibrium, and so on and so forth. Everything that we talk every single live stream, every single day. And yeah. Ignas, can we consider 9 o'clock candle on NQ as break of structure? 909. Whoa, why can't I see the full-on message? Wait, just give me a second. Ignas, can we consider 909 candle on NQ as break of structure? Checking. 909. 909. Bam. Oh, looking at the wrong chart. 909. I see what you mean. Okay. So, for your notes, is this a swing low? 909. So, 909 is right here. This one, right? Is this candle a swing low? Yes, it is. First question, when you want to consider breaks of structure, you need to see a swing low, right? Yes, it is a swing low. Is this a break of structure? No, it isn't. Here's not the break of structure. Why? Because there's no fair value gap. Is this break of structure? Oh, this is not the break of structure. There's no fair value gap. Is this break of structure? No, there's no fair value gap. Why did just the price move to the upside? Because there was no break of structure. It literally took sell stops here and continuously pushed to the upside as nothing ever happened in a way, right? So, nope. Swing low was taken, correct. Sell stops taken as well. But nope, no break of structure. We're trading at an old new week opening gap. So this is something that I'm kind of okay. Happy to help. Levels that I would start considering, right? Slowly, at least, in a way. Where price could make a turn, right? Because we don't want to go long. Yes, target is up here, right? 18,630. For sure, in a way, if we trust the market maker buy model delivering, yeah. But inversion on yes, note that. But because of how much premium is delivered already, we can't go long here. Like it's just okay. You can do whatever you want to, but risk free, you can't do that, right? But so what you do then is you look for shorts, right? Because that's the only thing that is valuable in a way, right? Can you look for a short here because of this SMD? Yeah. Did you get a break of structure? No. So there's no short. Would this be considered a short-term high? Yes. Why? Because this is not a random high. This is a high that fills a old new week opening gap level, right? So I'm kind of happy to see that deliver. This is cool. Do I go short here? No. I'm not interested in trading. But right here, 20 handles. By the book, basically. Yeah. If we even get offered this, there's you still have to consider that part. So would I still have this placed? Answer is no. Why? Because sell side was just taken, right? So we want the price to remain within the range for an inversion setup to be high probability, right? Because we went below this, high probability setup is not there anymore. Hmm? Hmm? I feel like a teacher today or something. But can you consider this as YouTube 2022? Yeah. Buy side taken. Beautiful delivery, right? Not a random top, but a top at an old new week opening gap, right? We can work with that. A little bit of a big stop loss though. It's for me. Right. I'm not in the trade, guys, though. Mm-mm-mm. I'm just looking on the right hand side a little bit as well, non-stop. Dollar index still pushing to the downside, which makes it a little bit out of sync, right? But on paper, yes, this is a short entry. But there's nothing indicating in a way that this won't be a seek and destroy profile. Just new lows and highs being created, right? Look how the market is moving. So took out sell side, took out buy side, took out sell side again. Nothing says that again buy side can't be taken away from us, right? Yes is though much weaker. Yes is something you can work with though. In terms of going short. So I'm pushing a button. Whoa. Um. ES is a lot weaker, and we have that SMT in a way, so I kind of like it a little bit more. But in Q though, delivering with perfection from that inverted fair value gap, like this is beautiful. This is amazing delivery. Here. No. But yeah, just again, right? There's nothing indicating that this won't just become a seek and destroy. Why? Because I don't like what dollar index is doing in terms of being out of sync with indices. It's not moving in tandem, right? It's just continuously pushing lower. Meaning indices should be following it. They're not, so. But I would be expecting ES to go to the downside with a little bit more ease because it is a little bit weaker than NQ is. Because NQ created that higher high, why ES failed to do that, right? Right here. NQ just continued higher, so possible entry from where I just noted. Inversion setup here as well is valid, right? Because of that SMT. I'm just gonna take a look here. I don't know. Yes, a lot of sell side is resting down here. That would be correct, but do we go that low? Do we deliver? Nobody knows, but like literally nobody knows, you know. Sounds weird, but nobody knows. Yeah. So SMT is at the bottom now. I don't like it right away because knowing that NFP is tomorrow and knowing that deliberately still my interest is for buy stuff, right? This SMT is nothing I wanna be working with, right? Keep it to your notes. And what you want to see as soon as that happens, you want this market to get in sync, right? So you want ES create lower lows as soon as it can and kind of get to on the same page with NQ, right? Because this SMT happening would indicate reversal again, right? Seek and destroy, higher highs, lower lows, higher highs, lower lows, you know, just like I said. Can somebody, I don't have that many monitors, can somebody check if we have any news today still, please? That would be awesome to know. Because if we have any more news, I like this even less. Sounds like a lot of water is running somewhere. Let me be right back, okay? Nope, we're all good. Just a very bad AC. Cool, thanks. We have FOMC, but later today on this orange box. Okay. But that's not the real FOMC, because the real FOMC happens on Wednesdays, right? No. Real FOMC happens on Wednesdays. Yeah. Yeah, random guy speech. Exactly, man. Exactly, though. Yeah, you're right. So, considering what we have right now, right? You would be looking to take partials as soon as you can, because knowing what the markets might deliver or not, right? So, on both markets, on both asset classes, you would be looking to take partials right now. Please consider that. If you're in a trade, consider taking something off, which I'm doing as well. I'll just do a very, very small partial, because I kind of hope this will continue running. And with that in mind, I'm just gonna move the stop loss to break even. So, took something off. I like that already. And if I get taken away from the trade, I do. If I don't, I don't. I don't care. Quite simple in a way, but at the same time, yeah, you know, at the same time, hard to manage. But let me take a look if we're all good here. Yeah, we are. Okay. You don't want this 1 minute fair value gap to be breached in a way, right? You just want continuation lower. You want this to hold. You want this to allow the price to move lower. That would be the ideal condition, right? So, one to two, 1 to 3 here. 2 awesome trades. One called on Discord, so I hope you guys can appreciate that, okay? And I need to play a little bit with the lot sizes on that account that I'm making calls. Because it's just doesn't align. I shouldn't be at 0.25 in profit right now. Should be at... No, I should be at 0.25. Okay, so this is a good lot sizing for me. I'm just talking to myself, sorry. So this is good lot sizing. 0.25 in profit, totally good, because if you would be with one lot in a short now on a 100k account, 5 handles, 0.25 or $250, right? So see how calm and easy this is though? I like it. And the markets are not even open yet. But guys, just very quickly, since my throat is starting to hurt already as well, I'm not 100% yet, so I'll keep this one short, right? 10, 15, 10, 20 or so, I'll finish. I'm sorry about this, but yeah, I want to stay alive as well, right? But I'm gonna stay with you because Thomas, I don't know if I'm wrong or not, but I think Žalgiris is playing today, right? Since Žalgiris is playing, PM session, rock and roll. God is gonna kill me. God fucking hates when I do this. because I'm in bed with a computer, with a laptop, with an iPad, and with a phone with 3 monitors, watching basketball. And when I watch basketball, I'll watch it. I just don't look at the screen, right? So she can't sleep. But it is what it is. I don't like this SMT. I don't like that we're not moving in tandem. Just checking a few other things. I'm monitoring the trade on my phone. But let me know, guys, if me talking about what was it? What did I talk about? Market maker sell and buy models was clean enough, right? If not, I'm happy to dig deeper. But I'm checking now. Use 500, sell partial 008, stop move it to break even. Yes, we got that. And yeah, almost 0.5% done. So awesome stuff, very good stuff, right? And on in Q&As, like, I'm gonna close the position. Yes, the market can easily continue even lower, but I don't care. However that sounds, right? I don't care because I'm not expecting much to happen and I'm not expecting much to deliver. So bump and bump. Let me do this. I'm gonna make a screenshot. Sorry. I'm doing this on my own still, so it's a little bit hard sometimes to manage. Ignas, did you saw a document about pawn? No. There's a documentary about polos? No, I haven't. I'm not a big series or movies guy though. I like, for a while I used to be. I love Lord of the Rings, I love Witcher and many other stuff, but kind of said to myself a while ago that I'm never gonna watch television or movies on my own anymore. But yeah, I'm not a big movies guys because I just don't like watching it on my own, and I have a rule to myself that I don't watch movies or series on my own as well, right? So, and since Goda is not a big fan of watching telly, we just don't do that. It's all about him and Jolly. It's good documentary. How it's called? Leave me a name. And I'm gonna be traveling this weekend, so I'm gonna have time. Happy to do it, you know. Goda is a big basketball enthusiast also, so we can watch together so I don't break the rule. Capitonas, nice. Okay, I'll find it, man. I'll do. I'll do. So considering what we see right now, I hope you took off those positions. Like, there's nothing that you should be interested in holding on anymore. You just trust me. If you can trust, I hope you trust me, right? But inversion to the upside now, maybe, I don't know. But I just had a weird black screen for some reason. Let me check if the sound is still good. Sound should be still good. So watch this. If this doesn't get inverted, it just continues lower, which would be a very nice delivery for such a day, to be fair with you. And take a look at GBP USD. Let me show you. GBP USD, where are you? Bim bam. 5-minute inversion. Watch it. Keyword. Watch it. Don't trade it. Watch it. Right? Because we have a YouTube 2022 panning out as well here. Swing low. Taken. Break of structure. Yes. This is a top. I don't know. I'd love it to be. I'd love that. But I hate forex. I say it every day. I hate forex. So on paper, this is a short. This is where you go. Okay. 2.5 lots. Target right here. Right? Bum. Bum. And bum. Right? And you're just in a trade in a way. But is this a top? I don't know. 50 minutes? Probably not at all. 1 hour? I don't know. Yeah. Don't trade forex. Just don't. I'm kidding. So let's take a look. Nothing too interesting after the position was closed yet, right? Still watching that GU. Right here. You can just push through to the upside with ease though. Like nothing holding it. Nothing at all. So we stick to indices. We have 1 more minute. No, the 5-minute candle is closing, so I won't even open because it's not breaching anything. Just consider that, right? That 5-minute close just happened. 5-minute fair value gap held in the price. So yeah. Bum 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 bum. Sorry, just sent a few texts. So I'm still coming back to that GBP USD. No, I'm not touching it. No, thank you. But I'm still coming back to it just to take a look, right? But consider this 5-minute fair value gap on both charts, right? Up until the point it's breached. Up until the point we go above it, sells are valid. Very, very simple. And we couldn't paste. So, bam. We do this. I'm just noting the top of that fair value gap, right? 5-minute top. So we're gonna watch it if we close above it. Mm-hmm. I'll see. I'll stay here for 10 more minutes and I'm gonna shut it off just to finish the day in a way. Because it's been nice reading the market today. Yes, it's delivering very, very weirdly still. Just like I said, this is a week that we shouldn't be touching it, right? So I'm not touching it. Neither during the day, neither in front of you. I'm really considering what I'm saying to you, right? So, but it is a nice delivery so far, right? What is it? 7.5 handles on yes. I kind of called for 5. 43 handles on NQ. So if you didn't wait out to it fully, we probably got to like 35, 40. More than enough. I say that all the time. More than enough. Five minutes close in 30 seconds. This is gonna be interesting. Why is it weird if the market is delivering? I hear what you're saying. So, on paper, right, Tiger? This is a very good question, though. I like it. When I trade, I consider the market to give what I'm expecting at certain times, right? Knowing those certain times allows me to risk and to risk it freely in a way and without much hesitation, right? So market today opened at 9:30 New York time, right? On average, statistically, let's say, more times than not, if a market delivers, we were looking for this deliver. We were looking for the market to come to this place where we are at right now. If the market delivers before the market open, the session we're gonna be trading is gonna be risky. It's gonna be bad in a way. It's gonna be not precise. So why I'm saying it's weird, that because we delivered the drawn liquidity we wanted to see, but we're still getting offered trades that on an average day we shouldn't be offered, right? Because the market already delivered, and now since it already delivered, smart money, so people like us, let's say, that we learn trading by smart money concepts, we should be out of the trades already. And the market starts killing everybody else that tries to get in, right? Because everybody saw the market deliver to the upside. 9:30 market opens. Everybody who learns by the book is looking to go long now. Why? Because it's been pushing to the upside for the last 2 hours, whatever, right? But at the same time, when you know that fact, you as a smart money concept trader, you're looking to go short. You're looking to go against an average trader, let's say. Average Joe is looking to go long here, right? We try to go against that. We try to profit from that. But by our book, by our rules, we shouldn't get delivery right now, because the market already did its job in a way. So, yeah. At the same time, we have NFP release tomorrow. So, NFP is a non-farm payroll event where US federal government announces when. It doesn't announce what and when. It announces the unemployment rate in US. And that is the biggest monthly economic news calendar event driving the market, right? For us, it doesn't matter what kind of number we get there. What's the news? Is it higher than expected? The number itself is lower. We don't care. What we care is about the fact that it's getting released. If you check, it happens every single first Friday of the month, right? If you check your charts, the price is delivering in a very not precise manner, in a very bad manner, every single Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday when the NFP is being released. Just go through the charts, check it yourself. I've done it, you can do it too, right? But what I'm trying to say that on average, delivery of price on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, when we have NFP being released at 8:30 a.m. New York time on Friday, the delivery of price is very bad. It's very unpredictable. It's very not consistent. It's very high risk, right? It has very low probability of being precise, right? So what just happened right now is weird, because the market kind of delivered what we wanted to see, and it did it with such an ease as well, right? This trade, what? Any other day, I would have gone short here with ease. 15 minutes. Bam, you're done for the day. You can go do your schoolwork, prep for exams. You can go spend time with your family and whatever, right? So, yeah. So, guys, very simply, I'm struggling to talk. If I don't know if you can hear it, but my throat is just killing me right now. I'm gonna say this. We have a 5-minute fair value gap here, right? Everything below it is bearish. If you go above it, you look for inversion setup to continue running to the upside. Why upside? Especially on NQ, because we have that market maker buy model, right? Market maker buy model started with this consolidation, pushed to the downside, second consolidation, pushed to the downside, smart money reversal, consolidation with a low risk buy. right here, right? full on market maker buy model target is liquidity rescue about at 18,624.25, right? So we're interested in that being delivered. Knowing that from higher time frame, what you want to see is a 5-minute inversion, just like we're looking at right now, to be offered, to go for those buy stops resting above, right? So consider this. Higher time frame bias is bullish still. We're looking for buy side resting above there, 18,630. So you have to just wait it out. And if you see this inversion happening, just go for it. Why not? So no trade. Tomorrow is a no trade day. Yes. Yesterday was a no trade day. Today is a no trade day. And tomorrow is no trade day. Why I say it no trade day? So I'm just gonna say this and I'm gonna go. You can trade whenever and whatever you want to. You can trade Bitcoin, you can trade Turkish lira, you can trade whatever chart, whatever price, whatever security you want to, and you can do it whenever you want to. I try to teach you guys to do it when there's high probability conditions. High probability meaning there's a very low risk of failure or a very low risk of price delivering in not consistent manner, right? When we know that it's low probability, like it is right now because of NFP tomorrow, I suggest you not to trade. Not financial advice, but I'm suggesting you not to trade, right? Sounds funny, but wait for high probability conditions. And Thomas is always with us, right? Thomas has already learned it the hard way. He can profit for 5%, 6% on a high probability day, and he'll go 0.5% down every single low probability day. And by the end of the day, by the end of the week, instead of having 6% on his account, he's going to be with 2.5%, right? Just because he doesn't preserve capital. Not judging you, Thomas, but I think you're just learning it the hard way in a way, right? So, but tomorrow is a no trade day. Yes. Can you trade it? Of course you can. Just like you could have done it today. Was this a very high probability setup? No. Why? Because it's that Thursday before NFP. And with that, I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you liked spending time with me, guys. Thank you again for joining in. This was a short one. I hope you appreciated me showing up. And we're gonna talk later. Have fun and watch for that 5-minute inversion. Talk to you next time. Bye, guys.